do my nails with me. I'm really excited. I'm thinking about trying a blue, so let's get it. Okay, now that the shape's done, we're gonna start on application. Ooh, that application is smooth like butter. Just got done shaping. It is so crispy. Time for base coat. New cat eye color. I love it. I just got all these. It's like so pretty. Look at that luster. Brand new Beetles top coat. Love it. So good. So glossy every time. This is the end result. It's so cute. I love it so much. This is my first time using cat eye, and I definitely recommend Beetles. Like, it's so good, and you get so much. This is only $30. I got this entire crate, including base, top, and matte. So it was a really good deal. Only like $29 too. So I definitely recommend. And that's it. Bye.